Now, Lamine Yamal has came out and said he idolizes Neymar and he wants to be like Neymar. Don't get me wrong, I'm a Neymar fan, but I have this thing about Neymar and Yamil. I love Yamil. It's just that he plays for the wrong team. Don't like Barcelona, Real Madrid, Hala Madrid forever. Here's my take on this, bruh. Because I see a lot of people are comparing him to like Neymar. Okay, Neymar is a beast, you know. So I feel like Neymar again with Neymar is what happened to Neymar's career. Is that I feel like Neymar knew football. Neymar could have been the best football player in the world. He still is, but I feel like he didn't reach that capacity that he should have reached. Mainly because he went to Barcelona where there was like Messi. He couldn't outshine Messi, you know. There's Lamine Yamal right now, which is the Messi of Barcelona, you know. It's the Messi. Like right now, I'm like Lamine Yamal is Messi at Barcelona right now, and Lamine Yamal is better than Messi, and I feel like he shouldn't be even comparing himself to Neymar. I feel like for me, Neymar is better than Messi. That's how I feel. But anyway, it's a story for another day. I'm just taking it the way you people take it. Messi, okay, with stats also. But for me, football-wise, I feel like Neymar is gonna be better than Messi. But Messi ended up being on top because Neymar found Messi at Barcelona, and he couldn't outshine him because everyone always cheered up for Messi. They only cheered for him, but I feel like that's one other thing that made Neymar leave Barcelona. He couldn't outshine Messi, you know. So I feel like Lamine Yamal, he was coming good when he was comparing himself to Messi. I was actually glad he was comparing himself to Messi. And I was like, yeah, I don't like Messi, but you're on the right path. So now I'm hating these rumors of like he wants to be like Neymar, blah blah blah. Because understand one thing, Lamine Yamal is still young. I don't want him doing the same mistakes Neymar did. Because I feel like Neymar, football went to his head. He knew football, but football went to his head. If you were Neymar, I would have never left Barcelona, or I should have never went to Barcelona. If I go to Barcelona and I become the good player and I become a best player, I must stay. And I won't go to Barcelona, and when I start realizing that, okay, cool, I have Messi here, I cannot outshine this guy, bruh, then I want to leave. No. Stay. Compete. Fight. Be the best, you know? So I feel like Lamine Yamal comparing himself to Neymar. Okay, he can't compare himself to Neymar football-wise because Neymar's insane. Neymar, I feel like we didn't see prime time Neymar. I feel like we were still probably by 60%. Neymar's a beast, bro. Like if you go look at clips of Neymar, bro, you'd still ask yourself how come this guy wasn't with your Ronaldo and Messi, Neymar. I feel like we should have had that trio. It's an error. But I feel like Neymar chickened out and left, you know. So I feel like Lamine Yamal shouldn't do that. Because I feel like football might end up going to Lamine Yamal's head. And he'll start feeling like I'm a star boy. But I love one thing about Lamine. He can keep his humbleness. But I feel like these days he's literally losing that humbleness. So yesterday he celebrated like Mbappe. Okay, someone might argue like, nah, it's Neymar's celebration also. Cool. But what I'm saying is, I just pray to the gods of football that Lamine Yamal becomes humble and doesn't turn into what Neymar turned into, you know, literally just feeling like I'm the star now. Yeah, I've achieved everything. I'm playing the best team in the world. No, bro. Look at Ronaldo. Ronaldo is still pushing even right now. You know, look at Messi. Messi's still pushing even right now. You know, like that's what I want from Lamine. You know, so I'm praying for the gods of football to keep this boy humble and going. And I don't want him to be like Neymar, bro. I want him to be like Ronaldo or like Messi. You know, so yeah, man. Tell me, how do you feel in the comment section? Do you feel like Lamine Yamal won't fumble this and could literally get to that height of like Ronaldo, of your Messi, you know, and not end on this Neymar journey? Because Neymar literally just got to Barcelona and started being good, and just said, yeah, I'm the best now, and started running more and started, So I feel like Lamine should stay grounded, stay humble, and literally go to that height or even higher, because I feel like Lamine is gonna be better than Messi. I don't know about Ronaldo, but it could be better than Messi. Like, tell me how do you feel about this in the comment section, bro. For me, Mr. Sparkles, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.